Hi everyone and welcome to codingzest.com. Guys, in this Flutter tutorial, I will show you how you can add images in your Flutter application. So to add images in our Flutter application, we can add images from two places. The first one is we can add directly image from network, like from internet, by using the image URL. And for the second one is we can add the image from asset, the local asset in our project. So first of all, I will show you how you can add image from network. As you can see here, we have a simple text widget here. Okay, and please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and the bell notification option is on so you won't miss the upcoming videos. uh, I will simply remove this text widget from here, and to use an image in your Flutter application, simply type image and add the image widget here. Okay, inside the image widget, we need a property to add like image, and here I will pass network image, as you can see here. So inside this network image, this braces, we need to put the image URL. So I have an image of a penguin, and I will just simply copy this URL from here, and I will go to Windows Studio and I will paste it here. Okay, let me minimize this, and as you can see here, if I save this, so you will notice we will have an image here. Okay, as you can see here, the penguin image is in our application now. So that's how you can use network image in your Flutter application to load or to display image by using the image URL. But for this kind of task, or for this kind of work, you need the internet connection. So uh, So that's how you can use the network image in your Flutter application by loading image by image URL. Okay, so now I will just remove this from here, and now we will add asset image here. Okay, and I will, okay, for now we will leave it blank because we need to add local images in our Flutter project. So to add images, we have to create a new folder or directory for images, and I will name it images. Okay, and I will go to my downloads, as I have already downloaded these three images, and I will paste it in the images directory, and I will click OK. And as you can see here, we have three images, but we cannot still use it because we need to add this image folder in our configuration file, which is pubspec.yaml. Okay, so open your pubspec.yaml, and here, as you can see, this is the assets, and we need to uncomment this. So to uncomment this, control R command / and make sure this asset is below this uses. Okay, so I will just simply back this y1. Okay, and I will remove this. Okay, and here I will also remove this, and this means that we are including our whole folder here in our configuration file. If you want to add one or two images, so you can type the image name here like cat.jpg, but it will include only the cat image, so you still cannot use the bird and panda image in your project. Okay, so we need to include the whole folder by typing the folder name and /. Okay, now click on pubget and wait for it. Okay, so it finishes, and we will close the pubspec.yaml, and here we need to pass the image path. So let's suppose we want to display the cat image, so we need to type images. This is the folder or directory name /, and inside this folder we have an image named cat. So I will type the image name cat, and the image extension is .jpg. Okay, so that's how we can add the image path from our local asset, and we need to restart the application for this. Okay, so I will stop it and I will restart it again. Okay guys, as you can see here, we have our image in our application. As you can see here, this is the cat image, but now if I want to change it to a bird, so I will simply type the bird and I will save it, and you will see this. Now we have the image of our bird. Okay, and I will also change it to panda and I will save it, and now you will see a cute panda here. Okay, so let me tell you another thing about image widget. So if you want to not use this kind of widget, like you are typing or passing the path or image URL inside this image widget, so the Flutter have an easy way to do it. We simply remove this widget completely and simply type image dot. So here is the asset file network. I will cover this file type in another video, because for this we need to pick image from gallery or to capture a image from camera. Okay, so if you need to add asset image, so simply type image asset and pass your path here, image path here. Okay, and if you want to get our display image from network, so simply type image.network and you can pass your image URL here. Okay, and after this, if you want to show a circular image like a profile image, so you need to use the circular avatar, and inside this we will use the background image, and inside the background image we will use the asset image, and here we will pass the image path like images slash panda.jpg. Now if I save this, so as you can see here, we have a circular image of panda, but it is too small. So to enlarge the size, simply type radius and I will set it to 150. And now as you can see here, we have a cute panda inside a circular avatar. Okay, so that's how you can make your image circular in your Flutter application. So that's it for this video guys, and if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and also hit that like button.